3, 2, 1.
What is the largest volcanic mountain in the world? The answer is B. Mauna Loa. Titusville, PA is famous for what event? The answer is D. The first oil well was drilled there. Krista Miller, who played Jordan on Scrubs, played this character on The Drew Carey Show. The answer is A. Kate. Which of these would be easiest to measure in volume terms? The answer is C. A freshly made wine. The capital of Brazil is? The answer is C. Brasilia. What are the three types of symbiotic relationships? The answer is C. Mutualism, communalism, parasitism. Which drink, which has been illegal but is being imported once again, is made from the leaves of the wormwood plant? The answer is C. Absinthe. What is the primary focus of Keynesian economics? The answer is B. Fiscal policy. What prominent playwright wrote the plays A Glass Menagerie, A Streetcar Named Desire, The Rose Tattoo, The Night of the Iguana? The answer is A. Tennessee Williams. Which fruit is often associated with Australia? The answer is B. Kiwi. Which surgeon dropped a junior mint into a body during surgery on the TV show Scrubs? The answer is A. No one did. What is the value of sine sin of an angle of 60 degrees? The answer is A. Square root of 3/2. Which TV show features the character Walter White, a high school chemistry teacher turned methamphetamine manufacturer? The answer is B. The Breaking Bad teacher. What movie won the awards for Best Sound, Best Editing, Best Sound Effects Editing, and Best Visual Effects at the 72nd Academy Awards 2000? The answer is D. The Matrix. What is half a millennium? The answer is A. Century. In The Sound of Music, the Von Trapp family singers perform at the Austrian folk festival to use as a means to escape the Nazis. Where did the Von Trapp family singers place in the competition? The answer is B. First. What is a suggested explanation for a phenomenon or a suggested explanation for a relationship between many phenomena called? The answer is C. Hypothesis. What is the official currency of Germany? The answer is A. Dollar. When he meets Stephen King, Roland the gunslinger hypnotizes him. What does Roland use to hypnotize people? The answer is B. A bullet. Which drug was initially used as a cold remedy before becoming an illegal substance? The answer is A. Heroin. In the Dragon Ball Z series, the evil tyrant Dragon JR has a team of henchmen named the Spice Boys. Which of these is not a member of the team? The answer is A. Ketchup. What is the primary goal of fiscal policy? The answer is C. Balancing government budget. What is the marketing slogan of Kellogg's Frosties? The answer is C. They're Givararareet. What is always on time but never too early or late? The answer is C. Clock. What country in Southeast Asia changed its name to Myanmar? The answer is D. Burma. What word describes any chemical that affects the body's structure or function? The answer is C. Drug. Who is the oldest person to ever climb Mount Everest? The answer is A. Yuichiro Miura. What actor, who was awarded an Oscar for his performance in the movie Beginners, became the oldest actor ever to win an Academy Award? The answer is D. Christopher Plummer. What is the keyboard-like instrument played with a soft mallet called? The answer is B. Xylophone. Low levels of thyroid hormones in the blood cause the release of what by the hypothalamus and pituitary gland? The answer is B. Hormones. Which car was named Car of the Century in the year 1999? The answer is A. Ford Model T. In The Legend of Zelda: Ocarina of Time, how many items do you get that are improved later in the game? The answer is B. 4. What plays soft when blown and loud when hit? The answer is B. Flute. Who invented the microscope? The answer is B. Antoni van Leeuwenhoek. In the hit movie The Silence of the Lambs, what did Dr. Hannibal Lecter do before getting 9 life sentences in a Baltimore mental institute? The answer is A. Psychiatrist. If a sphere with radius r has twice the volume of another sphere with radius r, what is the relationship between r and r? The answer is C. R3 equals 4R3. Which programming language was used to write the first web browser Mosaic? The answer is C. C++. What is a period of economic decline characterized by high unemployment, falling prices, and deflation? The answer is B. Depression. Which of the following would be least likely to reproduce? The answer is C, 2 female cats. Which acid controls pH in cells? The answer is C, hydrochloric acid. In which of these movies does Thomas Lennon portray a ping pong player? The answer is B, Balls of Fury. What is often red, juicy, and flies? The answer is C, cherry balloon. Which computer was the first to sell more than 5 million units in less than 10 years? The answer is C, IBM PC. Which operating system was launched in the year 1985? The answer is B, DOS. Which word is defined as unintelligible or meaningless speech? The answer is A, gibberish. What do many scientists think are the oldest eukaryotes? The answer is B, protists. Which kitchen item has a strainer and a lid? The answer is A, colander. What are clouds that form on the ground called? The answer is C, fog. Who is the main character in Of Mice and Men? The answer is B, George Milton. Which number follows 1000 in a 1000 series?